All right, let's talk a little bit more about the ABOS, the operating system, and the plan for the law firm here. So in the first video, we talked about client confidentiality, and I talked a little bit about how we're going to encrypt data to make sure that we're not sending client information over, to Claude Code or OpenAI. I looked into it, and actually OpenAI does have a BAA agreement. So it might be a better solution for the LLM, for the law firm, to go with OpenAI. For example, use Codex over Claude Code. But in any event, if we're just doing operations, marketing, what I also didn't cover was the plan was to be able to handle finances too. You don't need to cut out the CPA or the accountant, but we can have an agent make sure that we have a sound trust account, we have a sound operating account, and everything's reconciled. So it takes a lot of legwork out of the accountant or the CPA, doesn't replace them. And if you're an attorney and you're watching this and you're thinking, well, wouldn't the trust account have client information in it? Well, yeah, but that we can redact, right? So instead of using a client name, a lot of people or a lot of law firms have a file system, either physically or inside a CRM, give a file a name or number rather than the name of the client. So it could have a date of loss in it, a date of incident, some way to differentiate it between the other files. So that would be the good solution if you're using AI, to handle the financial part of the operating system. But getting back to the ABOS, so we're doing operating, marketing, and finance, right? So we have a CEO, kind of the orchestrator. We have a CFO to manage the numbers. We have a CMO for marketing. And then I know they're kind of, sorry about the sun. I know they're kind of similar, but we want a head of sales too, because a marketing agent is one thing. Look at my big head. I can block out the sun with that. A marketing agent is one thing, right? But head of sales is important. Driving the conversion